Ka MLA ka Laitumkrah constituency ka Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh mynta ka sngi ka arpu tarik kyllalyngkot hajar arpu saw kala lumya ka jingialang ki dkhot ka dorbar shnong bat yaki tnad Sorkar banya pyrkhat halor ka jingpynkhreh ban Pynkynriah Noh yaki Nongshong di madan kiba shong shilynter ki Lynti Iaid Kjat Laitumkhrah kawei pat ka jaka ban lait na ka dkheng kali kham tam hadin balapli ki school. Habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ka Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lyngdoh kala pentip balada yat bet kikam kumbala thmu enla ban Pynkynriah yaki nong di madan hapdeng ubenai rempang hajar pusau.
A meeting jointly with the dorbar shnong pulun representatives of Laitumkrah dorbar pulun, the PHE, the municipal board, the PWD, the inspector of food supply, on the matters regarding the relocation of the hawkers. We are now ready with the entire plan. Necessary surveys have been done as per norms and recommendations of the vendors policy, national vendors policy, hawkers policy, and we will shortly be able to relocate these vendors from police point to beat house in the interest of public, in the interest of not disrupting and occupying spaces which were meant for pedestrian way of ride. Looks like everything is in order, and we hope that the vendors committee will be able to fast track this, and I hope, and I'm crossing my fingers, that everything will go well. By the 10th to 15th, in between these days, we will issue the relocation to these various hawkers, and we look forward to a hawker free zone, because this is very important for us to understand. That is an important way where all people, whether students, office goers, citizens and residents of Laitumkrah and neighboring places, walk. I do not anticipate that we'll have much of a problem anymore, because we have gone as per the Hawkers Act, and I hope that we will be able to do this. This is just one of the things that we have decided in that meeting. We have also had the opportunity to interact with traffic personnel in the leadership of Additional Secretary Shakil Ahmed sir, and we have decided that we have requested the Dorbar Pulun to go back to its executive committee to present before the executive committee the necessity of changing the entire ring road of Laitumkrah towards Dankiti and then Beat House and back. We are considering a one-way in that area, and we are going to also be looking at all one-ways within auxiliary roads around the main ring road around Laitumkrah. If everybody is on the same page and if we are all in agreement, there is a high probability that we will again revert to a one-way around that area. The direction of this one-way will again be decided by the Dorbar committee along with the executive committee of the Dorbar, because this is important, and I hope that that would also be good, and we would also be able to ease traffic congestion in this very important ring road, especially once institutes open. We have also decided that we will make Veronica Lane, which is the area where we will have the hawkers relocation, to be a no traffic entry zone for a certain period during the day, so that we ease the traffic congestion, especially in the interest of the people, differently able students who are studying in the 2-3 institutes located in that area. I do not foresee that we will have much of a problem, but if this Veronica Lane is made one way at certain hours of the day, then I think it would also ease safety issues as well as congestion issues, as well as random parking on the Veronica Lane.
What about